Did you know the food you eat plays a vital role in how your brain functions?
Welcome to our video documentary!
So, this video, we're gonna learn about on how the right nutrients can enhance our memory, focus, and overall brain health.
The title for this video documentary is Food for Thought, Brain Boosting Diet. Our next section is about the science behind brain-boosting diet.
This section introduces omega-3 fatty acid, which play an important role in brain health. For sources, omega-3s are primarily found in fatty fish such as salmon and mackerel, as well as in plant sources like walnuts. These foods are rich in essential fatty acids that the body cannot produce on its own. For benefit, omega-3s are crucial for building and repairing brain cells. They support synaptic plasticity, which is important for learning and memory. DHA, a type of omega-3, is particularly essential as it forms a significant portion of brain matter, helping maintain structural integrity and cognitive function. For evidence, studies show that regular intake of omega-3 fatty acids reduce the risk of cognitive decline. It has also been linked to improved memory and making it a key component of a brain-boosting diet. Moving on, this section presents research data on the effects of omega-3 fatty acid, particularly related to cognitive health. For ADNI cohort and meta-analysis, on the left, we see data from a cohort study of the participants who had omega-3 supplementation and cognitive follow-up over several years. The graph shows a distinction between those who converted to Alzheimer's disease and those who did not. The right side presents a meta-analysis of studies on the relationship between omega-3 intake and cognitive outcomes. So, for conclusion of the data, the result of these studies indicate that omega-3 supplementation can have a protective effect against cognitive decline, supporting its role in preventing diseases like Alzheimer's. Next, we move on to antioxidants, another key component in brain health. For sources, antioxidants can be found in various foods such as berries, which is blueberries, strawberries, and blackberries, as well as dark chocolate, spinach, and kale. These foods are known for their high antioxidant content, which helps protect the brain. For benefit, antioxidants combat oxidative stress, which is caused by free radicals that can damage brain cells over time. They also protect neurons and improve overall cognitive function. Additionally, antioxidants promote better blood flow to the brain, supporting alertness and focus. For evidence, studies particularly involving flavonoids found in blueberries have shown that these compounds improve memory and slow brain aging. This makes them an essential part of a brain-boosting diet. This section shows the antioxidant content in various foods. Flavonoids, a type of antioxidant, are present in many fruits, vegetables, and beverages like tea and red wine. Blueberries, as shown in the graph, are a significant source of anthocyanidins. Flavonoids in blueberries, for example, have been shown to improve memory and slow brain aging. They help protect brain cells from damage and support cognitive function. Other foods like apples, onions, and tea also contribute to different types of flavonoids, which offers various health benefits, including reducing oxidative stress and supporting overall well-being. Including flavonoid-rich foods in our diet can help maintain brain health and overall body function.
Next, in this section, I will be talking about polyphenols. Let's begin with sources. Polyphenols are abundant in green tea, coffee, and certain fruits. These are simple, natural fruits that can easily be included in your daily diet. Now, on their benefits, polyphenols are known to enhance mental alertness, and protect brains from damage, making them essential for cognitive health. A great example is green tea, which contains a unique compound called L-theanine. This is not only helps improve focus, but also promotes relaxation, creating a perfect balance of calm and alertness. Lastly, let's discuss the evidence. Studies have shown that regular coffee consumption is linked to a reduced risk of neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. We will see on this diagram is about that related to polyphenols. On the left, you will see the molecular structure of skipite, showcasing its significance as a compound with powerful benefits. And the arrow connects to its physiological effects, which include antioxidant effect, protecting cells from oxidative damage, anti-inflammatory effect, reducing inflammation, especially in the brain, anti-apoptotic effect, preventing programmed cell death to protect brain cells, receptor modulation, where caffeine interacts with brain receptors to boost cognitive and neurological functions, immunomodulation, helping regulate the immune system's response. Finally, the outcomes are shown on the right. Neuroinflammation is inhibited, as represented by the burning head icon. Brain environment amelioration, promoting a healthier, more stable brain, illustrated by the healthy brain icon. Let's move on to the glucose. First, we will discuss the sources. Glucose is derived from complex carbohydrates found in foods like whole grains, fruits, and vegetables. This provides a steady release of energy throughout the day. Now, the benefits. Glucose powers critical brain function, helping maintain focus, mental energy, and productivity. Keeping glucose levels stable ensures sustained concentration without fatigue. Evidence shows that avoiding refined sugars is essential, as they cause energy spikes followed by crashes, leading to poor performance. A consistent supply of glucose is necessary to support cognitive processes, including attention, learning, and memory. This diagram illustrates the key pathways of glucose metabolism, the process by which our cells generate energy. Let's break it down step by step. Start with glucose at the top left. The cell takes in glucose, sugar, from food. Phase changes, glucose gets modified to become more reactive, glucose 6-phosphate, 2-fructose 6-phosphate, and 2-fructose 1,6-biphosphate. Splitting glucose, it breaks into two smaller molecules, which is glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Making energy, these molecules go through changes to produce ATP energy and NADH electron carriers. Two possible outcomes, which is with oxygen, pyruvate turns into acetyl-CoA and enters the citric acid cycle to make lots of ATP. Without oxygen, pyruvates turn into lactate. This happens in hard exercise. Final energy boost, electron carriers, and NADH power the electron transport chain, making the most ATP.
Next section is about smart sips, drinks that boost your brain.
Hi everyone, let's talk about food that's good for your brain. One good example is matcha latte. Matcha is a type of green that's full of antioxidants. It has something called L-theanine, which helps you stay focused and calm. It also gives you gentle energy boost without making you feel jittery like coffee can. So, if you need to stay sharp and focused, try matcha latte. It's a tasty and healthy way to power your brain. Remember, what you eat matters for your mind.
Did you know you can sip your way to a sharper mind? A cold drink of dark chocolate isn't just delicious, it's brain food in disguise. Dark chocolate is rich in flavonoids, compounds that improve blood flow to the brain, boost memory, and enhance focus. When made into a drink, it's a comforting and easy way to fool your mind. So, next time you're looking for a cold comforting drink, let dark chocolate be your go-to. Your brain will thank you.
Yes, can I ask you something? Sure. Why did you choose latte for today? Well, I need caffeine boost for my study. Oh, interesting. Did you know? I just found out because I'm doing some research about coffee that coffee with milk can boost your brain power. The
Next, simple interview. General information about brain-boosting diet.
Hello, Azarina. I want to ask you, are there any foods that we should avoid to maintain and improve our brain health?
Absolutely yes. There are certain fruit that can help our brain and also have an opposite side. It is important for you to limit your highly processed food such as junk food and packaging food.
Interesting. Can you explain why these foods are harmful to the brain health?
Yes, of course. For the highly processed food such as junk food and packaging food, it can lead to inflammation in the brain and also give brain fog.
Moving on, comparison of brain boosting diet and poor diet. So, I will be discussing the impact of diet on brain health and cognitive function. Let's start by comparing a brain boosting diet with a poor diet. For brain boosting diet, a brain boosting diet is rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and essential vitamins like B, D, and E, along with minerals such as magnesium and zinc. These nutrients support brain function and overall mental clarity. This type of diet also promotes healthy brain volume, particularly areas related to memory such as hippocampus. It enhances memory focus and problem-solving skill while lowering the risk of neurodegenerative disease like Alzheimer's and dementia. On the other hand, a poor diet consists of refined sugars, trans fat, and processed foods, which negatively impact brain health. Studies have linked this diet to brain shrinkage, particularly in memory-related regions. It can lead to brain fog, slower reaction times, and difficulty concentrating. Additionally, it increases the risk of cognitive decline and neurodegenerative disease. As we can see, the type of food we consume plays a crucial role in our brain's health and function over time.
This table presents a compelling overall comparison between a brain-boosting diet and a poor diet. From the aspect energy levels, the brain-boosting diet with its complex carbs, healthy fats, and proteins promotes steady energy, leading to sustained focus and productivity. Conversely, the poor diet, high in sugar and refined carbs, results in the energy crashes, causing fluctuation in energy levels and hindering concentration. From the aspect inflammation, a brain-boosting diet rich in inflammatory foods like berries and fatty fish helps reduce inflammation in the brain and body. In contrast, the poor diet, loaded with pro-inflammatory foods like fried foods and sugary snacks, increases inflammation, negatively impacting cognitive function and overall health. From the aspect sleep quality, also, the brain-boosting diet containing nutrients like magnesium and tryptophan contributes to better sleep, crucial for memory also. On the other hand, the poor diet with its blood sugar spikes and nutrient deficiencies disrupts sleep patterns, further impairing cognitive abilities and overall well-being. For the lastly is gut-brain axis. A brain-boosting diet supports a healthy gut microbiome, fostering a positive connection between the gut and the brain, influencing mood and cognitive function. Conversely, the poor diet disrupts the gut microbiome, leading to poor communication between the gut and brain, potentially contributing to mental health issues.
Moving on to the impact on cognitive function. Now, let's take a closer look at how different aspects of diet affect cognitive function. For nutrient intake, a brain-boosting diet provides essential nutrients that support neuron growth and repair, while a poor diet can lead to inflammation and oxidative stress and damaging brain cells. Next, brain structure. Healthy eating preserves brain structure, keeping our brain active and functioning well. However, poor dietary choices accelerate brain aging and atrophy. After that, cognitive performance. Nutrients-rich foods improve mental clarity, focus, and problem-solving abilities, whereas unhealthy foods impair cognitive performance. Moreover, energy levels. A balanced diet sustains energy for optimal brain function, whereas a poor diet often leads to fatigue, sluggishness, and lack of motivation. Additionally, inflammation by eating anti-inflammatory foods help protect brain cells from damage. However, chronic inflammation caused by poor eating habits can harm neurons and impair cognitive function. Moving on to long-term brain health. A brain-boosting diet provides long-term protection against neurodegenerative disease, while a poor diet accelerates cognitive decline. Last but not least, sleep quality. Good nutrition enhances sleep quality, allowing for a better memory retention and cognitive processing. Poor diet choices can lead to sleep disturbances, which negatively affect learning and concentration. Lastly, gut-brain axis. Finally, there is a strong connection between gut health and brain function. A healthy gut improves mood, and cognition, whereas an unhealthy gut can lead to emotional instability and mental fog. In conclusion, what we eating significantly affects how our brain functions, both in the short term and long term. Making conscious, dietary choices can help us maintain better cognitive health and overall well-being. Moving on to brain boosting snack swap section. Snacking is a part of daily life, but are you fueling your brain the right way? Processed snacks may taste good, but they can lead to energy crashes and brain fog. Instead of empty calories, go for brain boosting alternatives. Swap chips for nuts, candy for dark chocolate, and soda for a smoothie. This smart choice improve focus, memory, and energy levels. So, these are the ideas of simple and nutritious brain boosting snack you can try. Remember, snack smarter, think sharper, because what you eat fuels your mind. So, for the conclusion is, brain are the most important organ, and what you eat matters.
Start today by adding
Brain boosting food to your diet.
and experience the change for yourself.